Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When I fly, I have a really hard time getting comfortable because my neck always seems to be at an awkward angle. I feel like that's really changed because of this pillow that I got from Pono. This is different from other neck pillows I've used in the past because it has an infinity shape and an inner adjustable rod. So you can feel the rod when you're adjusting it into place, but then the memory foam that covers it is really nice and soft and you can't feel the rod at all. I love that I can get full circle support on this by bending the arms over each other. I found that one of my favorite ways to use it though was when I had the window seat because I could keep one of the arms cradling my neck and then the other one in a kind of up against the window, and it kept my neck in like the perfect position. I'm also very particular about fabrics that touch my face, and this has a really nice soft jersey knit fabric to it. I didn't find irritating at all. This is my new go-to pillow for travel. I think that you're gonna love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.